Hi everybody, it's Jill Plummer. I wanted to make a game for my students about nouns. So I searched for a noun project and I found this one by Glenda23, and it's kind of cute looking, but it doesn't do what the code says it's going to do. Let me play it for you. Is a car a noun? Yes. Whoops. Yes. Is a baby a noun? Yes. Brilliant. And that's it. That's as far as it went. You can kind of see the intention. Hello, we're going to learn about nouns. It's supposed to say, if you get it wrong, are you sure? Think again. Well done. Is baby a noun? Think again. Brilliant. But it just didn't work. So I don't know why somebody would publish something that didn't work in the first place, but that's neither here nor there, I guess. So I like the fact that the character was talking to the user and giving directions, but the character didn't react when the answers were given, and I wanted to add that in. I thought about, instead of just, they only have 2 nouns in here, so I decided I needed a list of nouns, not just a couple. I wanted to change it not just from whether it's a noun or not a noun. My kids are able to do something a little deeper, and we're going to be studying concrete and abstract nouns, so that's what I decided to do mine with. I wanted buttons for the user to press as the program went along, so I wanted to add those. I wanted rewards for correct answers, whether it be the sprite dancing or sounds or something. And I wanted an introductory slide and a game over slide. So I want to show you mine real quick. I added some sound effects. Reviewed the concept of a noun and defined concrete and abstract and gave examples. And then I added the buttons in. Wisdom is abstract. So I have the sound effect, I have the confirmation that they're right, and then I have that happy one. Okay, I'm going to do a wrong answer. I'll do another wrong answer. One thing I could do is I could add a counter up here about whether how many they get right and how many they get wrong. I modified that costume. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. So when I was going through this, I was having trouble trying to get it to find the random words, pick a random word out of my whole list. I made a list of all the words, and then I realized, oh, I'd have to separate them into concrete and abstract, and I kind of got stuck there. Couldn't figure out how it would check. I didn't know much about variables, so I knew it had to do with them, but I wasn't sure how to work them in. I knew if I could generate a list of each one, then it would work somehow. What I ended up doing was I watched some videos on YouTube and figured out how to link the variables in the lists and how a list is actually a variable. The breakthrough came when I realized I needed 3 lists, one with all the words, one with just the concrete nouns, and one with just the abstract nouns. And then at the very end, I added the bells and whistles. So I added in the sounds at the end, and this was the part that I had the most trouble with. I knew I'd have to have a repeat to go from, word to word, trial to trial. So I created the word variable and then all 3 of the lists, and it seemed to work together. These are the other sprites, and I had to add in the coding for them. And these essentially had the same coding, but this one says concrete and the other one says abstract. Okay, but that's about it. I'm pretty happy. It took me a long time to figure this out, and I was so excited when I got it done. All right, thanks. Bye.